So here it is, Halloween Day, October 31st. No, it's October 30th. Anyway, just outside Boston. There's a motorhome, there's a trash bucket. There's 8 inches of snow on top. It's already been done once by our neighbors. And what we're doing is we're moving from the house with no heat to the motorhome with heat. And at least we'll have heat and power. So the driveway's been done once. You can see the line over there, but my car hasn't. So there's kind of a look. Actually, I'm too close. You can't even tell. But there's the car. Here's the street. Neighbor, neighbor, neighbor. You know what? And this is not a real intimidating scene in January or February. But darn it is right now. And let's just do a survey of what trees look like. There's the house. Couldn't see these trees. Couldn't see the house from yesterday because the trees were up. Hopefully we get some melting. Could not see that house yesterday from the street. But you can now. And here comes the plow. You can see how much he's kicking up. So there it is. We'll be coming around again in a minute. Keep in mind, last week they're cutting trees down, and now they're mowing. Well, there's our, well, you can see some of them are already broken. There's our side yard, and there's going to be some more breakage there. Hopefully we'll get a good melt. But that's it from Holden, Mass, as the sun comes up in the eastern side of the town.